I was told to dispose of these pumpkins and this mom, and the person said you should throw those in the garbage can. And I said, whoa, pump the brakes, pump the brakes. So here's what you do with your pumpkins. So enjoy the video. What I do with my compost stuff, I just throw it in my composting bin. I have leaves in there from the fall. I have the option to either cut these pumpkins up or let Mother Nature break them down over the winter, which I'm going to do. If you're going to invest in a composting bin, I would encourage you to get a square one because I like the surface area of it and I'm able to use my pitchfork and turn it. I'm just going to throw my mom in there and cover it up and call it good. If you like this video, check out some more of these videos on composting. Like my channel, subscribe if you like what you're hearing, and you have a great day. Bye.